this video, we will demonstrate how to print a temporary pass or request a replacement pass. Begin by logging in, click Manage My Pools, click Patrons. Now we're in the section where we manage our patrons. Patrons are grouped together in columns. I'm first going to show you how to print a temporary pass for people in the Pending, In Progress, or Holds column. The procedure is the same for all three. Let's print a temporary pass for Amanda. Click on Amanda, click Print Temporary Pass, click Print. I'm going to back out of here and show you how to print a temporary pass for an active patron and request a replacement pass. It will be the same screen. Click Active. Let's print a temporary pass for John and request a replacement pass. Click John. Click View Pass. Click Print Temporary Pass. Click Print. I'm going to back out one screen. Simply click here to request a replacement pass. Yes, you are sure. Swimming Pool Passes has just received an alert to print and mail John another pass.